Yay! Check it out, guys. This is my brand new scooter I just got. 5,000 mile range, 152.5 miles per hour top speed. Check it out. What's up, my PEV fam? She's finally here. My all-time favorite scooter has finally arrived. I purchased the scooter around 2 months ago and she's finally here. So today we will be doing an unboxing on the one and only 011X. So excited. I'm sweating, guys. Woo. This is a lot of work. My back is killing me. I'm filming this in my garage, so I apologize for any background noise like the vehicles, motorcycles, F-150s, Apaches, AC-130s, and anything above that. So I had Rev Rights, who I purchased this from. I had them install the alarm system. I didn't want to mess with the electronics myself. So even though you kind of become proficient somewhat to do maintenance on these things, it's part of owning them, I guess. It's Christmas in October for me. All right, now what do we have here? This baby up here. It's a beautiful day out. I want to go riding, but after this video, I gotta go to work. So it's gonna have to wait. This thing is heavy, by the way. Boy, is it heavy. I can't remember the specs, what it said it was, but it's heavy. This is no 10X for sure, no doubt. It's a beast. Thank you for staying here with me, guys. I hope this video is not too long, and if it is, I apologize. I've never done an unboxing video before like this, so please in the comment section, you guys already know me. any positive criticism, any helpful comments for future videos, anything that can just help the channel. I'm just a husband, a father, and a 40-year-old that just happened to fall in love with scooters. So YouTube is not my thing. Right, let's bring this up. Clamps identical to the ones that comes with the 10X. Nothing different there. They will definitely be getting upgraded, as I'm not a fan of this stock clamps. Alright, my PEV family, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'd like to apologize in advance because I have a visitor in my garage tonight, so if you hear him, it's not intentional, but Mr. Cricket apparently wants to make it on YouTube tonight. So, my apologies. Guys, I am so excited to finally have my 011X with me. I cannot stress enough how happy I am. So, I said it in the video and I'm gonna say it again. To me, October is my new Christmas day. So, I'm in cloud 9 right now. It's getting charged up and hopefully I can take it for a spin tomorrow. I wanted to share with you guys something that I completely forgot to do in the unboxing video. I know, I apologize, rookie mistake. A couple little things that came in the box with it, like your multi-tool kit. This has come with all of my scooters before, so I have plenty of them. If you want one, let me know. But it comes, you know, with your multi-tool kit, with the Allen keys and a couple screwdriver heads that I believe you just put in your backpack. You can just put it on your scooter bag and leave it there, and it can come in handy in case you need to do some minor repairs while you're out there on the field. So, and aside of the charger, obviously, that I can show you because it's being charged, being used right now, RedRide's little care package with the instructional manual, their e-scooter startup guide, and a couple stickers that I already know my son is going to want to put in his scooter already, because my little dude loves stickers as much as he loves scooters. So, but yeah, here's the little care package from RedRide's. Thank you again, guys. You guys are top notch with your customer service. So keep the great work, everyone there. And guys, I'll leave you with this. Thank you so much for the support you have shown to the channel. I can't believe the channel is about to hit 300 subscribers. I think we're like 15 away. So help me get to 300. Head up to Facebook, our group there on Facebook, PEV Riders Club. That we're over 300 members there now. We're always sharing, having fun, and we're PEV heads, man. That's what we are. So 15 away to get to 300, and I'm doing the giveaway here as soon as we hit that number. So if you're a member of the channel, head to the Facebook group too, where I do a lot of announcements there. So thank you so much for the support, and take care, ride safe, ride responsibly, but as always, have fun doing it. Take care, guys.